Well, it's Easter. It's time to change out our St. Patty's Day wreath for an Easter wreath. As you can see, I've used 2 large ornamators in the back. And I'm going to show you how easy it is just to take this middle right off. See this? I'm going to leave this on here and just literally unhook my wreath from the middle. Now, I have an older Easter wreath that's been kind of crushed and thrown in the garage that I'm going to use, and then I'll fluff it up. It's going to look just like new. So I'm going to stick this right down in the center like this, crushing. That's why I didn't fluff before I did this. I'm just going to push this in like this into the center of my wreath. And then all I'm going to do, see, I have these large ornamators here, and all they are is just clipped. I'll reclip them so you can see. So I just took the large ornamator and I slide them right in here into the first rung. You can see how that is, holding by the distal ends. And all I'm going to do is use the center to clip it right into my new wreath, just to hold it in place. It's just that easy, just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing up here. I'm going to grab this up here, and I'm just going to grab this just like so and clip it in place so that I have something just keeping this taut in there. And then when I flip it over, I now have my Easter wreath that I can fluff out. And even with it being all crushed, it looks pretty cool. Let me just take this also out that I have stuck in here with an ornamator. And I'm probably going to add some other accoutrements to this, but look how easy that is. Now I have this cute little Easter wreath in literally seconds or minutes. Anyhow, thank you for watching.